Handyman Larry. Hey, so we're taking apart this bed right here, and we noticed this bolt here. We can't get to it. It's inside the slot. So as you can see, I had to cut inside that bolt so I can get to it with this screwdriver and back it out. Hopefully, just far enough to where I can get that socket on. I'm also going to cut another one the opposite direction, make it a little bit easier for us. So. And the blade just happens to be just like the perfect thickness to be able to get this big old screwdriver in there to back it out. All we need to do is back it out. You can see that I can tell the threads in there are stripped or something because it's fighting me a bit. But all I need to do is just get it back out just far enough to get this socket in there, and I'll be able to run it out. There we go. It's all done. On this opposite side, you can see, oh, okay, this part stripped out on me. It had a Phillips, end on it, so I could get to it with the Phillips screwdriver, but it stripped out on me towards the end there. So what I do here is just grab a pair of these little vice grips here, just right to get a grip on it, and then back it out. And then I'll just take the screws and match it up with a different one, buy a new one, and with another Phillips head for both. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Y'all come back now, you hear?